Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to fix screen lagging in iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the video. Here, the first thing that I want you to do is launch your settings app and tap on general. Scroll down and there you will have an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, then select reset keyboard dictionary. Here you'll be asked your iPhone passcode, enter and confirm it. Now the other solution is launch your settings again, and after that tap on general. There go for keyboards, scroll down and then turn off delete slide to slide type by word toggle button and turn off show predictions and line toggle button. And that's it. This is how you fix your screen lagging in iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.